Hello, in this video I will show you how you can change animation speed on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to open the settings, from here scroll all the way down and go to About the device. Now go to the version and keep tapping on version number. As you can see you are now a developer, so that means you are enabled developer options, so you have to go back and go to System and Update, and here you can find developer options. Open it, and from here you have to find section like drawing. In the drawing section you can find window animation scale, transitions animation scale, and animator duration scale. So you have to open some of these features, and here you can select between animation speed. So like I will show you how it looks like on the times 10. So now as you can see it's very slow. And if you want to speed up your animations, you have to enable 0.5x, for example, and now everything looks much faster. Also, you can turn off this animation, and as you can see, it's instant right now. So if you want to speed up every animations, you just have to go and click animation off, select it, and now everything looks instant, as you can see. So you can do it from developer options. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.